Good morning, students. Welcome back. Language is an important source of communication. It expresses one's personality through it. Strong language skills are an asset that promote effective communication. Today, in this session, we are going to learn some interesting terms of English language. Periodic means occurring at regular intervals or happen from time to time. A person's birthday. Periodic motion. Seasonal cyclic patterns are some examples of periodic. A periodic quiz. In this lesson, we are going to know periodic Latin terms for anniversary. Let's start. Pick the correct answer. First, that which occurs once a year. Options: A. Biennial, B. Annual, C. Centennial. Answer: annual. Annual means happens yearly. Sentence of annual. Annual Day celebration is a great event in our school. Second, making a period of 200 years. Options: A. Bicentennial, B. Biannual, C. Diennial. Answer: bicentennial. Bicentennial means occurring every 200 years. Sentence: the United States had its bicentennial in 1976. Third, making a period of 100 years. Options: A. Biannual, B. Diennial, C. Centennial. Answer: centennial. A centennial is a 100th anniversary or relates to a century. A person who is 100 years old is a centenarian. This year is the centennial of Albert Einstein formulating his theory of relativity. Fourth, making a period of 10 years. Options: A. Diennial, B. Decennial, C. Duodecennial. Answer: decennial. Decennial means lasting for or relating to a period of 10 years. The decennial census of India has been conducted 15 times as of 2011. Fifth, making a period of 9 years. Options: A. Octennial, B. Duodecennial, C. Novennial. Answer: novennial. Every 9 years is novennial. Sixth, occurring year after year. Options: A. Diennial, B. Perennial, C. Millennial. Answer: perennial. Perennial means lasting or existing for a long time. Tulips are a perennial flower. Next, seventh, making a year of 50 years. Options: A. Semi-centennial, B. Semi-diennial, C. Semi-weekly. Answer: semi-centennial. Semi-centennial means relating to a 50th anniversary. August 15, India's 73rd Independence Day, also marks the semi-centennial year for ISRO. 8. Making a period of 2 years. Options: A. Biennial, B. Biannual, C. Biweekly. Answer: biennial. Biennial means lasting for 2 years. Biennial plant requires 2 years to complete its life cycle. Follow-up surveys are conducted on a biennial basis using MELT questionnaires. Students, we have completed question answers. Do you know, students, decades means group of 10. Other words for span of years also come from Latin. Biennium for 2 years, triennium for 3 years, quadrennium for 4 years, lustrum for 5 years, century for 100 years, millennium for 1000 years. Students, we have completed 7th lesson. Let's start 8th lesson. What is the word? Homonyms are two words that are spelled the same and sound the same but have different meaning. Here you can see some examples. What is a beautiful ring? Second example. The children sat on the floor in a ring. For letter, first example. There is a letter for you. B is the second letter of the alphabet. In both the cases, the sound and spelling are the same and only the meaning changes. In this lesson, we will get to know more examples of homonyms. Write the suitable word. In help box, launch, diet, rash, cross, whisker, zip, file, prompt, check. These words are given. First, which word means concerning food or Japanese parliament? Answer, diet. A healthy diet creates a body resistance to disease. The national diet is Japan's bicameral legislature. Second, which word means to give a cue or to be quick and ready? Answer, prompt. The last line is your prompt to exit the stage. Prompt action was required as the fire spread. Next, third, which word means a narrow miss or a cat has these? Answer, whisker. She won the race by a whisker. The cat carefully cleaned the milk off its whisker. Next, fourth, which word means it could be an allergy or thoughtless action? Answer, rash. A red itchy rash appeared on her skin. Think twice before doing anything rash. Fifth, which word means to begin something or a large motorboat? Answer, launch. NASA plans to launch a satellite to study cosmic rays. We will make a trip by launch to Goa. Next, sixth, which word means a cue or a tool to shape and smoothen? Answer, file. The records are filed alphabetically. File used to remove fine amount of material from a workpiece. Seventh, which word means the sign of a church or extremely angry? Answer, cross. A cross is an emblem of Christianity. My dad gets cross if I leave the kitchen in a mess. 8. Which word means to examine something or a pattern of squares? Answer, check. Custom officers have the right to check all luggage. A shirt with a pattern of blue and yellow checks. 9. Which word means energy of speed or a thing used to fasten clothes? Answer, zip. The new engine has given the car a lot more zip. I can't open my bag. The zip has stuck. Students were completed question answers. Do you know the English term cafe, borrowed from the French, is actually derived from the Turkish kahve, meaning coffee? Students, we have completed 8th lesson. Now it's fun quiz time. Students, you have to complete the sentences with a common word. First sentence, the dash sky shine through the window. Second sentence, he uses dash colors in his artwork. Third sentence, he is a dash child. So what's the answer, students? Bright. Correct. The bright sky shine through the window. Here, bright means giving out light. He uses bright colors in his artwork. Here, bright means bold colors. He is a bright child. Here, bright means intelligent. Students, we have completed 7th, a periodic quiz, and 8th, what a word lesson. We will meet again in the next session. Till then, take care. Goodbye.